Yes, what you're looking at. I'm trying to take a picture of it. So we're gonna. That's the humidifier. It's an Ailinke ultrasonic cool mist humidifier. Where did I put the remote? You see the smoke coming out on the bottom here. Look at the remote. That's what you get. Now we're gonna try to do the humidity button 4 times, which I presume is on the left. See that? That's really pumping out. Let me put the camera down. That's the Ailinke ultrasonic cool mist humidifier, 2.3 gallon capacity. This took actually about 30 minutes to set up. And I like the remote. The remote is easy used because I just leave it on high setting, and on the second left on the middle left, so you can do UV light on it. Let me find out how I could do it. Alright, before I break it by playing with it too much, I'm going to turn it on tonight. I thought you could do the UV light on it. I'm not sure exactly how to do it. I'm not even going to bother doing it because I could just clean it out, and they call it a sink. The pump is the faucet, brothers and sisters. So get this humidifier. Before use, you might need someone to read the instructions if you're visually impaired. But I mean, I'm happy with it, but at the same time, I don't know why it's $140 fucking dollars. Anyways, this is the Ailinke ultrasonic cool mist humidifier, 2.3 gallons. Have fun. And a little zoom in. It's a floor humidifier. Peace out.